Hey guys, Kevin here with Screaming Chicken. Today I'm here to show you some drink holder options for your third gen Camaro and Firebird. I've got an 82 through 84 Firebird console here. I've got a 85 through 92 Firebird console here. And then 82 through 92 Camaro console here. The options between them are a little different between the Camaro and Firebird, so I'm going to show you each one of them. With the Firebirds and the year difference, they slide into your ashtray, but they do have a different shape for your ashtray. So it is very important to get the correct year for yours so that it fits right. As you can see, they'll hold a 12-ounce can pretty well, or I have an iPhone 15 Pro, fits like a dream. And to install and uninstall, they just slide in and out, real simple to use. Just pull your door out a little bit, slide it down, and then they just slide in. Friction holds them fine. They'll hold the weight of a 16-ounce can, a bottle of water, no problem. Not pulling up any. I would say if you're going to put something taller in there, do something with a lid just because they're not super deep, but it's still a great option for the Firebird people. Over on the Camaro, we have a few different options. We have a small single drink holder, which is still great for a 12-ounce can or even a 16-ounce can. It fits real snug and tight in there. Then we have a larger option that'll be great for Yetis and things of that nature, and it's got a removable piece that allows things, drinks and stuff, to sit farther down into it. So your Yeti or anything of that nature will sit farther down in there and be more secure. And then we also have a combo of both. However, with the combo, the single is a little bit deeper. Okay guys, I'm going to show you all how to install the Camaro cup holder now. It's a little different. It's still real simple, real easy. Anybody can do it. You're just going to come up here to your two screws on the passenger side of your ashtray and remove those using an Allen head. They are a little longer, so it might take a few seconds to get them out. And then you'll take your cup holder and it just sits down over the ashtray and lines up with the holes. And then you'll just take your factory screws and reinstall. And that's all there is to it. You can still open your ashtray with these as well. And you still have plenty of leg room on your passenger side. These don't stick out far at all. And then for these, drink still fits very well. Real easy to get to from either seat. All right guys, so that's your drink holder options for your third gens. For your Firebird ones, they're super easy to remove if you're at a car show and don't want them seen, but you'd like to be able to have a drink. It's hot here in Texas. We need drinks and air conditioning, and the air conditioning sometimes isn't enough. Camaros are a little more involved, but if you had an Allen wrench with you, you saw it, wouldn't take you but a couple of minutes to remove it if you were at a show, or leave it, get people's attention, because I remember when I had my third gen, I would have killed for a drink holder, but they weren't around back then. So visit screamingchicken.com, get yours there. And these are your options.
All right, y'all, real quick, we want to show you how to easily find these on the website. Hover over 82 to 92 interior and then click on center console. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the options that we have for the Firebird cup holders and the two options we have for the Camaro cup holders. Also, as you've seen at the beginning of this video, the Firebird one has two options. 82, 84 is slightly different than 85 through 92, so you will have to select your year of car. Again, here is the cup holder for the Firebird. Here is the dual cup holder option for the Camaro. For the Camaro, we have the dual cup holder available, or we also have it available as a single option, and that comes in slim or XL. Alright y'all, that is it for today. If you like this video, feel free to leave your comments below, share with your friends. We will leave all the product links and info below down in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Y'all have a great day.